Daily maintenance takes very little time but ensures you'll have long-lasting enjoyment of your St. Croix stove. Remove ash buildup under the grate bottom daily or as frequently as needed. To clean the ashes from under the burn pot, pull the ash cleanout rod in and out several times, using the stove's rod pull tool, as the ash cleanout rod will be extremely hot to the touch. You'll also use the rod pull tool to clean the heat exchange tubes using the built-in scraper. Simply pull the tube scraper out and back to clean the tubes. This should be done once or twice a day when the stove is cool or operating on the low temperature setting. Wiping the window daily with a cloth or paper towel will normally prevent the accumulation of difficult to clean residue. Use of a glass cleaner is only permitted when the stove is cold. Here's a helpful tip. Dip the damp towel in the ashes before wiping to remove stubborn buildup on the glass. Check the grate weldment and shaker plate to determine if holes are plugged. Clean as needed. With proper precautions, the grate may be partially cleaned while the stove is hot, using the pot scraper tool included with the stove. Remember, the door and front part of the stove will be extremely hot, so use caution and avoid touching any part that's hot. To clean a hot stove, follow these steps. Wear a leather glove that covers the lower arm. Turn the stove to heat level 1 and allow the flame to burn down to a low burn. Open the firebox door slowly to prevent drawing ash or odors into the room. Use the provided pot scraper to move the burning fuel to one side of the grate, leaving the ash in the bottom of the grate. Rake the ash and clinkers out over the grate into the ash pan. Rake the burning fuel across the bottom of the grate. Close the door. Reselect the desired heat setting. Lastly, if you have your stove running on a lower setting continually because you do not need as much heat, it is advisable that you run your stove at the highest setting for an hour or so. This will allow the stove to reach optimum temperature and can reduce maintenance on your stove.